Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another smartwatch. This is the Rogbid Tank S3. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have another smartwatch. This is the Rogbid Tank S3. So let's take this one out. Branding, okay, on top. And at the back, so we have here specifications. So we have their model S3. The CPU is Realtek. The screen size guys is 1.96 inch, and the battery is 680 milliamperes. RAM is 128, and also we have the system, which is 5.0 for Android and 9.0 for iOS. And the application guys is DaFit, and the material is powder metallurgy, and it also supports IP69 rating, waterproof, and also the weight guys is 86.8 grams. So without further ado guys, let's open this one here. Okay, we have here the user manual. Okay, so it's in English, so if you have any question guys, you can just check your manual here. And then we have here our Rogbid Tank S3 smartwatch. Wow guys, it feels really premium. And we have here the blue strap. Okay, also let's see this small box here. We have here the charging cable. Okay guys, so let's take the cover. Okay, actually guys, it is quite heavy, and it also said that this one is made of aluminum on the sides. See, it looks really beautiful. And on the right, so we have this crown, which has an R print on it. And on the left, so we have none guys. We only have here like this speaker grill. Okay, and at the back, so we have here the charging pins and also the sensors. Okay, and it says there Rogbid. Alright, as you can see, we have here the display. The bezels guys is so thin, so it adds the premiumness of the watch. And then when we scroll down guys, we have here the shortcuts. So I believe this is the do not disturb mode. And let's check on the settings, the brightness, the battery, and also the e-cards. Okay, and then when we swipe up, we have here the notifications, and we swipe to the right, so we have here the different features of the watch. So let's check. We have here activity, sleep, okay, the heart rate. So see guys, the sensors are lighting up. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up. Okay, so it's 88 beats per minute. Okay, and then we have here exercise. So walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, swimming. So see guys, swimming, because it has IP69 rating, so you can use this one when you are swimming. Skipping, badminton. Alright, and then we have here exercise records, blood pressure. This is also great guys, but I just tell you that this is just for reference only. Okay, and then we have here SpO2, stress. Okay, it can check your stress guys, weather, phone call, and then player, remote shutter, relaxation. Okay, we also have your stopwatch and timer, flashlight, game. We have this kind of game. We also have calculator. Okay, it looks really nice. Cycle tracking, find phone, the settings guys. So we have here auto sleep. So let's check 30 seconds. Then watch face. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Okay, we've got 9 watch faces, guys. What else? We have here a menu view. It has a honeycomb. Okay, this one is great also. So you can just check that one, guys, on your preference. Then Bluetooth, low power mode. Okay, phone reset system. So about the version and the app download, which is the Fit application, guys. Design is really cool, and it's really perfect for people who want to go outdoors to play sports. Yes, and also they also claim that this is already tested for extreme task. So for example, like you're running, so this one can definitely meet your expectation. Yes. So all I can say, guys, is my initial review for this watch is that this one is really great, and this can be a very perfect present in this holiday season. So if you're interested, guys, just check the link in the description box and get yours for just an affordable price. Alright, so all I can say, guys, if I'm going to rate this one out of 10, I can say this watch is 9. Know, guys, about your thoughts of our Rogbid S3 Tank S3 in the comment section. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.